Let's start with this exciting piece of news from Crypto Times. Pi Network adds email verification for account recovery. This is big, people. We're talking about a major step towards the long-awaited Pi Network Mainnet launch, and potentially the final piece of the puzzle to get this thing off the ground. Is this email verification the key to unlocking the value of your Pi coins? What's up, Crypto Crew? Gold Rush here, and welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of crypto news, analysis, and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Pi Network. We've got two hot-off-the-press articles that could signal a huge shift for Pi and its millions of users. We are going to discuss some very exciting news today. All right, let's get into this Crypto Times article. As you can see here, it says Pi Network has added email verification for its Forgot Password recovery feature. This new feature complements the existing short message service verification system, providing an alternative method for account recovery, the article states. Now, this might seem like a small update, but it's actually a critical step. Why? Because it shows the Pi team is serious about security and making sure users have access to their accounts, especially as we approach the mainnet launch. They're tightening things up, folks. This is exactly what you want to see from a project that's about to go live. The article continues, users will now also receive a verification link via email to reset their passwords, enhancing the security and flexibility of the recovery process. This is a big deal for user experience and overall confidence in the platform. Crypto Times also mentions that this update is crucial as the grace period deadline approaches. It'll help users secure their accounts and protect their Pi coins. Remember, the grace period for Know Your Customer, KYC, verification is ending soon. So this email verification adds another layer of security for users going through that process. This update is critical as the grace period deadline approaches. It will help users secure their accounts and protect their Pi coins, the article states. This shows that the Pi Network is actually taking steps to protect its users and their assets. Before we move on, smash that like button if you're excited about Pi Network's progress. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You do not want to miss my updates on this rapidly evolving story. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Crypto Times reminds us that Pi Network extended its grace period to January 31st, 2025. Pi Network has extended its grace period to January 31st, 2025, from December 31st, 2024, the article states. That's a whole extra year, folks. They also mention that the mainnet launch is expected in the first quarter of 2025, and that they've urged pioneers to complete their KYC verification. This extension gives users more time to complete KYC, which is essential for migrating their Pi to the mainnet. And the fact that they're emphasizing KYC again tells me they're serious about getting this mainnet launched. Also, the Pi Network has been reaching its mainnet launch, expected in the first quarter, 2025, and recently they have urged pioneers to complete their Know Your Customer verification, the article continues. This is a clear call to action for all Pi users. If you want your Pi to have value, you need to get verified. Let me know in the comments. Have you completed your Pi Network KYC? Share this video with anyone who needs to see this and get verified. Okay, time for article number 2. This one's from CoinGape, and the title is a real attention grabber. Pi Network price braces for a key catalyst. Time to buy Pi coin? Is it time to buy, folks? Let's see what they have to say. CoinGape starts by noting that the Pi Network price rose for 2 straight days. Pi Network price rose for 2 straight days as sense of optimism rose ahead of a key catalyst that will determine its future in 2025, the article states. They call the token a proxy for the Pi project. As you can see on the chart, it rose to $44 on Friday, up from a low of $38. Now, this price action is interesting because, as you know, you can't actually buy or sell real Pi yet. This is just an IOU on HTX. But it does show that there's growing interest and speculation around Pi as we get closer to the potential mainnet launch. If you're finding this analysis helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for more in-depth crypto breakdowns like this one. We have plenty more content for you to explore, so be sure to check out our other videos. CoinGape dives into the importance of the KYC grace period. The grace period ends on January 31st after being postponed twice in the past few months, they write. They explain that KYC is about verifying the identity of the millions of Pi users and removing bots, which are common in these tap-to-earn networks. The developers aim that as many pioneers verify their identity as possible, the article continues. In the last update, over 13 million of them had verified their identity, but only 8 million had migrated their coins to the mainnet. This shows there's still a significant gap between verification and migration. CoinGape emphasizes that the mainnet launch will be a major event because it will allow pioneers to monetize their coins. The mainnet launch will be an important event because it will allow pioneers to monetize their coins, they write. Some will hold, hoping for a price surge, while others will likely sell and take profits. This could lead to significant price volatility. I personally think many people will sell and take profits. What do you think will happen when the Pi Network mainnet launches? Will people hold or sell? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure you're subscribed for future updates on this potentially explosive event. Now, CoinGape raises a crucial point. They say there's a possibility the mainnet launch might be delayed again. As such, there is a possibility that the mainnet launch may be delayed since there are fewer than 100 apps, the article states. Why? Because one of the requirements for the mainnet launch is at least 100 mainnet-ready applications. This is something to keep in mind, folks. While the email verification and the KYC push are positive signs, the lack of apps could still be a hurdle. However, CoinGape does say that if all goes well, the mainnet launch could happen in the first quarter. So, there's still hope. CoinGape provides some price analysis, noting that the recent rebound happened after the price crashed to a key support level at $38.07. This was a key price because it coincided with the lowest swing in October last year, they write. They suggest this could be a sign of a double bottom pattern forming, with a neckline at $91. A double bottom is a highly popular bullish reversal pattern, the article states. This is a bullish chart pattern, folks. If it plays out, we could see a significant price increase. What's your take on this double bottom pattern? Do you see any other technical indicators that support a bullish or bearish case for Pi? Share your insights in the comments and share this video with your crypto crew. Let's get this discussion going. All right, let's connect the dots here. We have Pi Network adding email verification, a crucial step for security and user experience as they prepare for the mainnet launch. We have the KYC grace period ending soon, which is essential for getting those Pi coins migrated to the mainnet. And we have a potential bullish chart pattern forming on the Pi IOU price. These are all positive developments, folks. They suggest that the Pi team is making progress and that the mainnet launch could be closer than we think. However, the lack of mainnet-ready apps is a concern. And the fact that the grace period has been extended multiple times before makes me a bit cautious. It makes me question the legitimacy of the project. I'm cautiously optimistic about Pi Network. I think the email verification is a big deal. It shows they're taking things seriously. But I'm not going all in just yet. I want to see that mainnet launch happen, and I want to see those apps start rolling out. Could we see a price surge when the mainnet launches? Absolutely. There's a lot of pent-up demand for Pi. But there's also a risk of a massive sell-off as people take profits. What's your Pi Network prediction? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future updates on Pi and the crypto market. Pi Network is at a critical stage. The next few months will be crucial. If they can successfully launch the mainnet and build a thriving ecosystem, Pi could be a major player in the crypto world. But if they stumble, it could all come crashing down. This is a high-risk, high-reward situation. If you're involved in Pi, make sure you've completed your KYC and keep a close eye on the news. This is a story you need to follow closely. Remember, folks, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet sharing my analysis of the crypto market. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Thanks for tuning in. Keep it locked here for more crypto news, analysis, and insights. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.